Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to restore archived emails on Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook login page, and let me log in my account first. So I'll just click sign in, enter my email right here, and then my password. And then here is my Outlook account. And then let's go right here to our inbox. So let's reload the Outlook page again. Right here, it's experiencing a problem. And then here is my Outlook inbox. So from here, if you want to archive an email, you just need to right click and then click archive right here. But what if you want to restore the email that you just archived? You can just go ahead and click undo right away so that it will be immediately restored. But if you have archived that specific email for a long time, you can restore it by going to your archive inbox. Then from here, you can see all of the emails that you have archived. Then what you can do is that you can just right click, then click move, then just choose your inbox folder. So from here, we have now restored our archived email to our inbox. So you can see our inbox right here, and then you can see right here the email that we just archived, and then we brought it back right here to restore it to our inbox folder. And then that is it. So that is how we can restore archived emails in Outlook. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.